In this tutorial, we are going to see how to construct this solid geometry in Autodesk Inventor. In this video, you are going to learn about some basic tools of the Autodesk Inventor. That is a extrude, creating a rib, and a chamfer. So let's start. To create this solid geometry, first open Inventor, click on the part. Here click on the Start 2D sketch. Select the work plane. Here I am going to select XZ plane. So we are going to start with this circular part. For that, width is 50 mm and height is 30 mm. So let's draw. Click on the line. It is 50 mm. Enter. Height is 30 mm. Here you are going to see a half circle. To generate a half circle, simply press on the left key of the mouse. It will automatically generate the half circle. Okay. Finish sketch. Click on the extrude. The height is extrusion is up to 50 mm. Oh, and here enter 50 mm. Click on OK. Here is the circular hole of a diameter 25 mm. For that, click on the Start 2D sketch. Select this top plane. Click on the circle. Keep your mouse at this half circle. You can see the center point. Diameter of the hole is 25 mm. Enter. Click on the Finish sketch. Click on the Extrude. Here, select Choose All option. It will automatically create the hole. Okay. You can see how the hole is generated. For rotation of this solid geometry, simply press the Shift button. Press the scroll button of the mouse and drag your mouse to rotate solid geometry. Okay, now we are going to create this base plate of the part. For that, length is 100 mm. Here it is 30 mm. So the length from here to end is 70 mm. 100 minus 30, it is 70 mm. For that, click on the Start 2D sketch. Here click on the plus icon of the origin. You are able to select work plane. Select the XZ plane. Click on the line. Length is 70 mm. Width is 50 mm. Here. Okay. Escape. Click on the Finish sketch. Now here the extrusion is up to. It is height is 50 and here is the 35. So 50 minus 35 is 15 mm. So let's make it. Click on the Extrude. It will automatically select the object. Here enter dimension 50 mm. Click on OK. You can see here is the rib of 12 mm. To create a rib, we have to create a work plane at the middle section of this workpiece. So for that, click on the plane. Select the option mid plane between two planes. Select two plane. You can see the work plane is generated at the middle of this part. So for creating of the rib, right click on the work plane. Select the option New Sketch. Here click on the Project Geometry. Select this line and this line. Click on Escape. Click on the line. Connect these 2 points. Click on the Finish sketch. Click on the rib. You can see here the line is selected automatically. Here dimension for the rib is, width of the rib is 12 mm. So here thickness is 12 mm. Let's select the parallel to the sketch plane. You can see our rib is generated. Okay. To remove this part, we have to create a circle here and generate a hole again. 25. Click on the finish sketch. Extrude. Here select cut. Okay. You can see our rib is generated. To create this chamfer of a 15 mm, we have to click on the chamfer. Here select this edge, these two edges. The distance is 15 mm. Click on OK. Here you can see chamfer is applied perfectly. Okay. For coloring of this object, click on the appearance, select the geometry. Here you can select the different colors. Let's choose this green color. Cancel. To hide this work plane, right click on this work plane. Here click on the visibility. You can see our workpiece is ready. Thanks for watching.